Why is he wearing those hearing things?
Good morning, Noah. Come in, please. It's Noah. He uses sign language.
Stop it, that's actually funny. That is not kind at all. He can't hear the whistle. It's not fair. That is not the reason, and you know it.
Choose your groups for the science project now.
Sorry, these seats are all taken already. Sorry, these seats are all taken already. Lily, where are you going with your tray? Watch. This means friend in sign language. That bad? Are you learning to be a mime now, Tom? It's called sign language. Maybe try learning it. I should have said something. I know. I know. He can't hear the whistle. It's not fair. That is not the reason, and you know it. Play? With us? How did you know where the ball was going?
Choose your groups for the science project now.
Noah can be in our group, Mrs. Emma. We're building a model bridge. Noah, are you in? Good luck. Wait, there's a crack. Tom, stop building. He just saved our whole project, Lily. Mom, can Noah come for dinner Friday?
I'd really like that, yes.
No, that's still wrong. Tom, you just signed I am a potato.
Is this right? Watch my hands.
Dad, that means dentist.
Oh, those children. Come in. We've been learning for you. Ben, you just signed I am a fish. Your family actually tried. We should have tried much sooner.
Let's see how well he finds things. Ryan, I know exactly what you did here. Whatever. It was just a notebook, Tom.
Tomorrow, we'll practice our school fire evacuation.
He takes safety seriously. Good habit.
It's just a practice. Nobody actually burns down. Smoke. He sees smoke. In the corridor. Mrs. Emma, smoke in the corridor.
It's real! Everyone up, leave everything, move to the exit now.
I'm still missing one, Class 1B. She didn't come out.
Noah, what are you doing? Don't go back.
One child, Class 1B. Is that right?
He spotted the smoke first. He signaled her classroom. Noah saw smoke. He signaled the rescue. He saved her.
Sorry. I didn't think he'd actually do that.
I thought he might, eventually.
We're starting a sign language club. Every Tuesday.
Did I actually just do that right?
Slowly. Both hands. Watch mine first, then try.
The club needs a student leader. That's you, Noah.
This Courage Award belongs to Noah. He showed us all.
That kid. I'm so glad Tom found him.
You inspired me. One new friend. 3 new friends.
You ignored Noah on day 1. Don't forget that.
That was really brave, Tom. What you did for Noah.
I should have been brave on the first day, Dad.
This group's bridge was the strongest in the class.
I've got ice cream in the boot. 4 scoops. 4 scoops.
Mine's bigger.
Mine is definitely bigger.
Tom, that's not the point.
He said, "Your dad signs alone at night."
Dad, that's actually sad.
Did you seriously start ice cream without me?